Today I'm taking the Cenerius S1 Pro Max dual screen extender. So that does come with a case, and we got a little pocket in the front so we can store our cables. And here is the extender. So we do have a kickstand on the back, and you can see we got that little flag that sticks out, so we can pull this to whatever length we want, drop that in to hold that in place. On the display we have 3 USB-C ports, and it does give us instructions on what those ports are. Got a nice carbon fiber look on there. And that does just have a spring mechanism to hold that onto the rear of the laptop. Got a couple of rubber pads here on the back, and we got a flap on the top so that can rest on the top of the display. So here is the display. So that is just about 14 inches, and we do have some rubber pads right here on the front. So we got our user guide, we got our quick start guide, and we've got some cables. So we have a USB-C to USB-C, we got a USB-C to USB-A. So in the event that your laptop cannot supply enough power through the one cable, we can use this to also supply power. And we have a USB-C to HDMI. So in the event that your laptop does not have a USB-C port, we can use this to get our video over, and then we can use this to power the display. So great to see that they give us a lot of different options to make this display work. So I'm going to plug into Type-C one, so that is the top port. And this is a 17-inch laptop, and that is able to clip onto the side and hold itself up. And we're just going to plug into the laptop with that one plug. That is a USB-C going into Thunderbolt 3. And there we go. So it actually has a pretty nice display on it. Nice and bright. So right now we are duplicating. I'm going to display settings. Instead of duplicate, I'm going to go to extend and keep changes. So now I can take windows, I can bring them over here, I can work over here, and I can watch videos over there. So that way, I just want to play games or to get my work done over here, I can even use this, grab my monitor, put it over there. Once you go dual screen, it's hard to ever go back. This is my preferred style of setup, especially having something that can clamp directly to the monitor. Not all of these extenders can do that. This one can, I appreciate that. It's a 14-inch display next to a 17-inch laptop, and you can see it actually looks pretty big even next to that. So overall, that is an excellent display.